Oops, this is bloopers. Oof. Whoa, where the heck are we? Is this a level 2? Oh shit, another one, boy. No time, no see. Punk! Sorry for the loud voice. We beat you and smash you to the space. Remember that I said? I don't know, what am I talking about? Welcome to the level 2. Now you're going to beat your ass up. First things first, step. What the fuck? I can't speak. Oh, it's easy. I'm going to beat level 2. I'm a speedrunner, right? Am I right, guys? You know it. I'm going to jump. Wow! Help me, I'm stuck. What the fudge? What is he doing? He's not going to fight us. Well, guys, I have a plan, guys. Yeah, I know. We have some smashes, punching, and kicking, right? So you don't know how the plan works? Well, this character is loser. I'm going to beat him. Whoa, wait, chill out. I'm back now. I show you the full power of the true smashes. Boy! Shut up, bitch! Bad moves I have. Boom, take that. Give my butt. Take that. Oh yeah, taste that. Feel what you taste like. This Super Smash Brothers Melon Playground, it sucks. I don't want to make more videos now. Gotta get out of here! Oof! What the fudge? What kind of gravity is this? Magic hands activate move. Oh! Ouch! Down. No! Now up. Go to your room. Now go. What the hell? What kind of Super Smash Brothers Melon Playground is this? What the creator? Why did you do this to me? Okay, now you put me to the fireworks like this. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. Melon Playground Super Smash Brothers is an easy, true speedrunner. Now, you. Oh shit, it is my turn. My mouth is not focusing. Ah! Oh! My ears is bleeding. I can hear it now. My ears is blind. Right? What the fuck? I'm a god mode. Pips. Now to level 2 that makes me dangerous. Oh shit, I'm dead, boy. Oh, please don't take me down. Stop pushing me down. I'm going to die and fall down. Both of us, we're gonna die. I don't care. No. This is a true speed. Olivier, your skin look like pickles. Why are you calling me pickles? That's my mom, pickle feet. You mean your mom is brown and fatter, just like Goombas from Super Mario. Why the enemies is so loud? Then it makes me angry. Oh my god, I'm glitching. This is a 338000910. Glitching horror creepypasta from 666 Minecraft Seeds. Oh, are you okay? Why are you stuck to the other side from the walls? No, don't put me to the death. No! Oops! I put myself down. Die! Unlimited combos. How do I have? No! Like already the schools! Dude, chill. This is the Melon Playground Super Smash Brothers. Hey Steve, you like my sound effect, right? I'm a creator mode. Steve is a creator. I'm the god of the world from the Minecraft world. And you shall be smashed! What the fuck? I can hear the enemies! Yes, I'm immortality, you ships. Combine all the steel! Stop it, Steve. It's gonna be fun. You weakest enemy Okay, this video is better. Wait, what? Where did you take me? Where did you go? Good riddance. Wow, now my voice is better. Is there anyone from the level 3? Someone there? Help! Whoa, what the heck is that? What the? Is that the bridge? Maybe I can come. Can I get come? I can come? Sorry about talking about some come. C-U-M. Wait, what? Oh, look. Can I walk? Whoa. I think it's getting creeper. I mean creepy. Creeper from the Minecraft. Guys? I'm kinda pretty scared now. Okay, bye guys.